This little motorbike is leaking oil like nobody's business. Check this out. It's soaked in oil. And it comes from up here. This is so not good. Right, first I have to take this box off. Underneath there is the oil reservoir. And there will be somehow something, well, it's not quite right. So this has to come off before I do anything else. That is where, oh, it's full. There's too much oil in it. So I've got this off. Let's have a look. Here is a total mess. So the oil is definitely coming from up here, somewhere. Now I have no idea. What I can do is fire the engine up, clean it all up a little bit, and see where it comes out. That's the best thing I can do. I mean, everywhere is covered in oil. That is a real mess. Looking at this, there's definitely way too much oil in there. Well, I just discovered that if I take this bolt out, I can let some oil out of the oil reservoir. I'm making a right mess here. I'm really not good at this. So let's check it out. Well, when I look at it now, it is a tiny little bit low, but still okay. And I took out about, wow, this much oil. Well, I'm not surprised. Whoa. And here comes the smoke, but this is from the exhaust. I'm not surprised. Can you see it? And it stinks. Up here there is no more oil coming out anywhere. That's good. That one will burn down. So I washed the worst off. Let's fire it up again and let it run hot. Oh boy. I have no idea what that is, but it doesn't look good. I think the oil tank is broken. So this is it. Unfortunately, the oil reservoir is leaking, so it's nothing I can do about it. I took it off now. It needs to get pressure tested, and then we just take it from there. Do we need a new one? Can you seal it? I don't know. Anyway, this 650 is now stranded in France. A great start for 2026. See you around, guys.
Shake 'em up, yeah, you got it. Kiss it for luck and throw it like you want it. I'm talking 7, 11.